They're backing into the Amtrak station here in Roanoke. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, I'm in Roanoke, Virginia at the Amtrak station here, and this train's heading north. It's going to be stopping in Culpeper, Virginia, Washington, D.C., on up to Boston, Massachusetts, and I think this is where it originates because, as you saw earlier, the train came backing in here. Looks like there's about 75 people waiting to get on this train. Pop on here real quick. Hopefully this train doesn't take off with me on here, but nobody in the train yet. Better get out of here. That would not be good. Well, that was pretty cool seeing that Amtrak originate right here in Roanoke. I think that's going to do it. And on that note, Traveler saying, see you by the rails.